Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of PipeDrive CRM, one of the most talked about AI-enhanced CRM tools for boosting sales in 2026. If you've been struggling to manage your sales pipeline, nurture prospects, or actually close more deals, then stick around because this tool promises to streamline your entire sales process from start to finish. So let's get started. At its core, PipeDrive is a customer relationship management platform that helps businesses, especially sales teams, to track leads, manage deals, and close more sales by giving them a clear visual view of the entire sales process. Unlike generic CRMs that focus on contact list alone, PipeDrive puts your sales pipeline front and center, meaning you can literally see the journey from first contact all the way to the deal being closed. This makes it incredibly intuitive and effective for teams that want to stay organized and productive. This isn't just a contact storehouse, it's a sales accelerator. Millions of sales teams worldwide trust it to run their day-to-day workflows. Now, let us talk about the main features of PipeDrive. First is the visual sales pipeline management. PipeDrive's hallmark feature is the visual pipeline, where every deal is represented as a card in stages. You can drag and drop deals through stages like contacted, negotiating, or closed won. Next is built-in AI tools. PipeDrive uses AI to suggest next steps for leads, to draft smart email follow-ups, to generate AI-powered sales reports, and to prioritize leads based on engagement. There's also the lead and contact management. You can import leads from spreadsheets, forms, or your website and store all customer conversations in one place. Every interaction lives under each contact, so nothing slips through the tracks. Email, sync, and communication. PipeDrive allows you to sync your inbox, whether it's Gmail or Outlook, so that you can send, receive, and track emails directly within the CRM platform. It also supports templates and can extend to multiple mailboxes depending on the plan. Then there's workflow automations. Automations save hours, so you can set up rules to trigger follow-ups, to change deal stages automatically, to notify reps of activity, and much more. This dramatically cuts down manual admin work. Integrations and marketplace. With hundreds of integrations, you can connect PipeDrive with existing tools like Zapier, Google Workspace, Slack, Zoom, and keep data flowing smoothly. Then there's analytics and reporting. There are real-time dashboards that help you forecast sales, that help you see which campaigns are working and identify bottlenecks so that you can make better strategic decisions quickly. Let us talk about the pricing of PipeDrive. Generally, PipeDrive offers tiered plans with a 14-day free trial. No commitment, you can make the changes anytime. There are 4 basic plans. There's the Light plan, there's the Growth plan, Premium plan, and Ultimate plan. The Light at $14 per seat per month, the Growth at $39 per seat per month, the Premium at $59 per seat per month, and the Ultimate at $79 per seat per month. Now, this is the price when billed annually. If you decide to pay monthly, the prices jump up. And the good thing is, on all the plans, you can try for free for 14 days before you finally commit. So what are the pros and cons of using PipeDrive? First, the pros. It is super easy to use. It is focused on sales productivity. It has strong automation and AI tools. And there are flexible integrations with hundreds of apps. The visual pipeline also keeps the teams aligned and focused. How about the cons? There is no permanent free version. It's just a free trial for 14 days. And the advanced features cost extra. Yes, some powerful add-ons are not included in the base plans. And it is not a full marketing suite. Yes, CRM focuses on sales more than complex marketing automations. So, is PipeDrive the best AI CRM tool to boost your sales? In short, absolutely yes, especially for sales teams and growing businesses. Here's why. Because it doesn't just store data, it acts on it with AI-driven insights. The visual pipeline and automation means better follow-ups and fewer dropped deals. There are hundreds of integrations that ensure it fits into your business ecosystem. And whether you're a solo rep or a team of over 50, PipeDrive scales with you. And that's it on the review of PipeDrive. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore HubSpot CRM, Salesforce, and Zoho CRM. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.